The 2002 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tachometer, map lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.